Alright guys, and we're back. And this is a 2015 Cadillac Escalade. This one here is fully loaded and it has about 134,000 miles or so. It has quite a bit of miles, but it's still running great. But there's one issue that I need to fix before I give you guys a full review on this vehicle. That is one of the most efficient SUVs on the market because of one particular reason. So what I need to fix on this Cadillac Escalade is the rims. These rims has the plastic coating has been peeling off. So I was trying to scrub it off, but that's gonna take forever and it's gonna be dull underneath. So I'm deciding to paint this that was like a gray looking color, like an alloy color. I was gonna paint it gray, but I decided to paint it matte black and see how it would look with the chrome. So here's how it looks on the other side. I already did the masking. This is overall my first coat, and I gotta say it's looking pretty good. This one I'm about to spray, and I'm gonna show you guys from there. I'm using a flat protective enamel paint that is going to be nice and black, flat black, because that chrome, if it don't look really good with the black, I'm probably going to paint the chrome stripping into a piano black. Alright guys, the hardest part about doing any type of rim, especially once the rim is more complicated, once you're concerned with protecting the paint of the car, the painting is not the hardest job. It's the masking, and if you have to sandpaper stuff down, which I did, I sandpaper down, I used Brillo pad, I was trying to find the best mixture. As you can see, I did a lot of masking here. Alright, so now I covered this up. I don't like the way it came out, but I'm gonna deal with it. I sprayed some Windex. Yes, Windex. And I'm using 50% alcohol. I wish I had stronger, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, so I sprayed this rim. I made a couple of errors, a couple of oversprays, but it's not the finished product. I'm looking to put one more coat, but this one, I'm putting the first coat. So we're gonna do this first coat. Just rubbed it down with some alcohol, and I think it's ready for its first coat. Tucked everything in, and I think we're ready. Now, there's a lot of road rash. Every rim has some road rash, but this matte black paint is kind of covering the road rash. So this is pretty good. I'm really impressed the way this is turning out. This is sticking out. Now the inserts, it would have been better to pull it out, but I'm scared if I pull it out it might break and have more damage, and we're not doing no replacements here. You spray a little bit and then you spray again and stop, wait, spray a little bit, wait, and then spray again. If you're being overprotective like I am, then it's gonna take a little longer. Now, you don't want no overspray. And I ain't getting no overspray because this paint is kind of like to the point. But it's coming out pretty good so far. Alright, so all today I've been touching up this wheel. It rained today. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do anything, but I was actually able to get some stuff done. I did all the touch-ups in every corner that I could. And it looks black, it looks kind of ugly, but when we reveal what's underneath, when we reveal the chrome, then it's gonna stand out. All right, so this is like the third day, because one of the days we had was crappy weather, and I think we're just about done. I checked every crevice, every crack. I got the caps all shined up and ready to go. See, there's an area I missed right there. So every time you think you're done, you're not done. There goes another area. Wow. And there we have it. This looks good. This is a classy, elegant look, and the matte black just looks awesome. The reason why I chose matte black, because matte black prevents all that brake dust, easier to wipe off than the piano black. At least that was I was told. You guys can correct me in the comment section. This is looking crisp.